So we start off with a bare face, and the first step would be foundation. I apply a generous amount of foundation all over my face to cover up any redness or flaws. If you still have some spots left, use a concealer to cover them up. Now we already move on to the eye makeup. We need a warm tone brown. I have two options for this one. The first one is from VT Cosmetics and the other one is from Free CE. I apply that shadow all over my lid. I also put the shadow on the lash line. Actually, the whole eye look can be done with just the Free CE palette. With one of the lightest shadows of the palette, I highlight the inner corners a little bit. It's really subtle. Then I use a dark red-brown shadow for the outer corners of my eye. Last step, I use a neutral shade to blend everything in. I decided to go back in with that dark red-brown shade to bring the color a bit more to the inner corners. Then I tightline my eyes and define my eyes a little as well. Then I curl my lashes and use a mascara to curl my upper and lower lashes. For the lower lashes, I only use a little bit and try to place them where I want them to be with my fingers. Then it's time for contour. I contour under my lips to make them appear bigger and my nose a little bit as well. Then I use the tiniest bit of blush and apply it on my face. You don't need much. Then I went back in with my contour shade and contour my forehead. Since I wear a wig, this is not necessary, but if you want to wear that look outside, you might do this. Then I line my lips with a lip pencil that has my lip color. Then I use a dark purple lipstick and apply it all over my lips. I like to blend my lipsticks with a Q-tip in the end, and then we let it dry. After I go over with a red lipstick, and after that I actually went in again with that purple one to darken it up. It just looks brighter on camera than it actually is. And then it's time for the wig. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and see you guys in my next video. Bye!